Hey there, crypto traders. Welcome back to Crypto Geek. I am Zach. Today, June 16th, 2026, is critical for Bitcoin. We're seeing institutional ETF exits, Japan's rate hike, and SpaceX IPO aftermath. In 5 minutes, I'm breaking down market update, technical analysis, fundamental drivers, SMC strategy, and key price levels. Let's dive in. Bitcoin trades at $66,075, recovering from $61,928 lows. We're consolidating between $62,000 to $66,000. The 50-day MA is $65,749, and the critical 200-day MA at $65,192 remains our bull-bear line. Institutions pulled $4.3 billion in ETF outflows over 2 weeks, largest since January 2024, but bleeding has stopped. June 12th, SpaceX IPO priced at $1.75 trillion. Crypto turned green. Now we see positive inflows again. RSI at 49.74 equals neutral territory. MACD negative means slightly bearish momentum. Here's the key. Support IS holding. Bitcoin respected the $62,000 floor. For traders, consolidation equals base building. Watch $66,000 for breakout above, or $62,000 risk tests $60,000 support. Technical focus. 1-hour chart shows inside bars at $65,800. Textbook consolidation. Resistance $66,000. Support $65,200, where 200-day MA supports. 4-hour shows bullish wick rejection below $62,000 on June 3rd. Institutions bought there. Volume analysis crucial. Down volume days June 1st to 3rd were heavy. Recovery days lighter. This asymmetry equals capitulation selling, not distribution. Worse selling may be behind us. Setup. Close above $66,000 on hourly breaks consolidation. Targets $68,000 to $71,000. Below $65,200 risks $62,000 correction. Bearish signal. MACD still negative. Until that histogram crosses positive, no strong uptrend confirmed. Stop below $62,000, wait for confirmation. Macro attention. Bank of Japan hiked 25 basis points, 0.75% to 1.00% yesterday. Historic normalization after decades of negative rates. Why matters? Stronger yen equals Japanese carry traders face margin calls. Explains $4.3 billion ETF outflow timing. Counter narrative. BOJ hikes are telegraphed. Markets front run. Bitcoin holding $62,000 suggests NEW institutional buyers, not Japan traders, accumulating here. SpaceX IPO price June 12th at $1.75 trillion. They disclosed 18,712 Bitcoin on balance sheet. $1.2 billion corporate crypto. Every SPCX shareholder now has indirect Bitcoin exposure. Analysts estimate $50 to $75 billion new capital enters post-IPO. ETF flows confirm accumulation. BlackRock IBIT saw $86 million inflows June 12th. All 12 Bitcoin ETFs green. Smart money stepping in as retail panics. Macro thesis shifting from fear selling to value buying. Smart money concepts here. 1-hour chart. Fair value gap at $66,000. Price spike leaving buyers bag holding. Institutions hunt this liquidity. Break above $66,000 convincingly, target $66,500 to $67,000. Entry logic. Wait close above $66,000 hourly. Confirm higher low structure. First order block $67,500. Below $65,200, 200-day MA failed. Risk reward. Risking $800 to make $1,700 plus. 15-minute tighter setup. Consolidating in 10-minute FVG between $65,900 to $66,100. Break above $66,200 triggers breaker activation. Institutions position buy orders above resistance. 15 million strategy. Break $66,200. Take profit $66,500. Quick scalp for 5 to 10 minute traders. Golden rule, never chase SMC. Patience beats perfect entries. Liquidity at $66,000, massive. Real money lives there. That's your target zone. Complete roadmap. Support levels where institutions buy. $65,200, $64,000, $62,000. Below $62,000, next floor $60,000. Resistance $66,000, $68,000, $71,000. Close decisively above $68,000 equals FOMO momentum towards $73,000 to $74,000. Liquidity analysis. Biggest order imbalance $65,800 to $66,200, where traders cluster stops and buys. SMC targets this. They know institutions trigger liquidations here. Funding rate neutral at 0.03%. Leverage balanced. Controlled accumulation, not FOMO buying. Perfect multi-day trend condition. Action plan. Large holders accumulate every $65,200 dip. Breaks above $66,500, meet selling at $68,000, creating volatility. Trade 1 to 2, minimum risk reward. Today matters. Close above $66,000 equals bulls control tomorrow. Complete Bitcoin breakdown June 16th, 2026. You have technical setup, fundamental drivers, SMC strategy, exact levels. Join Crypto Geek daily for updates. Like, subscribe, comment targets below. Trade smart, stay profitable. See you next video.